Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to upgrade the Toyota Vios. This disassembly is very simple, please follow the video to watch. The first step is to pry the entire car machine loose with tools, and then take it out. Secondly, unplug all the plugs on the back. Okay, the disassembly has been completed now, it's just that simple. Now we will remove the two air vents from the original car. Then remove the dual flash button from the original car. Then install the removed air outlet and the dual flash button onto the new car radio. Now start connecting the cables. This is the GPS antenna. This is RCA cable. These two are USB transmission cables. This is a video input cable. Now connect the back radio antenna and screen power plug. Then connect the dual flash plug. Reconnect the reverse rear view plug. Finally, we connect the original car plug according to the size of the wiring harness plug. After connecting all the wires, install the car radio. Now that the installation is complete, let's demonstrate the functionality. Support reversing camera. Support local or online movie viewing. Support automatic radio station search. Support local or online maps. Support music playback. You can also adjust the tone of the music. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Support wireless Carplay, Android Auto. You can use map navigation, listen to songs, make phone calls and other functions on your phone here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.